Have you ever wondered why the jeans that you sew never fit like your ready-to-wear jeans? Now, in this Design and Sew Along, I am going to take you through the exact pattern changes that's going to make all the difference. We're going to start with our basic pants pattern that's already been fitted to your body, and by making these necessary changes, we are going to create a new sloper for ourselves, and this is going to be our jean sloper. Once we've developed the new jean sloper, we are then going to go and design our jean that we're going to be sewing together. I also want to mention that this basic jean sloper can also be used for any other jean designing that you want to go and do. Now, during the sewing process, I am going to be sharing some tips and techniques with you that's going to make the sewing easier, and it's going to give you that designer finish. One of the areas that I'll also take you step by step is how to sew that perfect jean zip so that you'll never ever have to worry about sewing a zip into your jeans again. And then included in this course, I've also given you a workbook that you are going to print. This workbook just covers the differences between our different pants blocks that we get, from a culotte to our trouser, our slacks and our jeans. And there's some calculations mentioned in there as well, which is going to help you with any future designing that you are going to do. Now, if you've been dreaming of designing and sewing your own jeans, then this course is for you. Go over to Surefit Academy South Africa and register for the Jean Design and Sew Along. If you're a South African customer wishing to pay in South African Rand, you can also go to my regular online store. Just go look for online courses or online classes and you can go register there. Now, I do want to mention for any new customers that's seeing this video, you need to have a basic pants pattern already fitted to your body. My Surefit Designs customers will be using their pants from Surefit Designs, but any basic pattern can be used because we are going to be making extensive changes to that pattern to create our new jean block. Now, I hope that I'm going to be seeing you on my academy and that we're going to be designing and sewing our jeans together.